Hi everyone. I just received my Samsung Galaxy Note 4 a few days early from T-Mobile. Um, Here it is. Pretty standard. There it is. Covered in plastic. Here it is. There's plastic around the metal bezel, and on the white one here, the bezel is actually white as well. I don't know if you can see that. I'm not quite sure how to take the back off. Oh, there it is. There's the back. Comes out pretty easy. In the box, we have recycling program, documentation, return policy, a tool and nibs for the S Pen. It looks like you get 2 gray, presumably soft ones, and 3 white firm nibs or whatever, and then a tool to grab them out. Earbud, USB micro, and the battery, the new headphones, and then the charger. Alright, let's get the battery. And there it is. Now I have to start setting up my new Note 4. I need to put a SIM card in. But there you have it. Unboxing the Note 4.